Hello, so we're going to make an interesting effect today called lab color. And you can really do it on any photograph that you've liked. I've chosen a landscape of Trinidad Beach, and I just want to show you sort of what it looked like before and what it looks like at the end. And there are some pretty specific steps to this tutorial, so you're going to want to do it step by step with the video and pause along the way. All right, so start by just opening up a regular photograph, and the first thing we're going to do is to convert it to a lab color. So I'm going to go up to Image, Mode, Lab Color. And that's going to change the channel. So over in the layers panel, I'm just going to click on the channels, and you're going to see lab, lightness, A and B layers. Okay, and we're going to be working with these. The next thing we're going to do is clicking on the channel A, and we're going to put a posterize effect on that. So I'm going to go to Image, Adjustments, Posterize, and click. And just always on this whole set, just do the default, whatever pops up. Okay, and then I'm going to add a Gaussian blur. That is under Filter, Blur, Gaussian blur. It's just going to soften these little edges a little bit, and just click OK to that. Now we're going to click on the B layer and do the same. We're going to posterize layer B. So that's under Image, Adjustments. And what you'll see the posterize does is it sort of breaks up each area into its different grays. And then we'll do a Gaussian blur on that. Filter, Blur, Gaussian blur. Okay. And now we're going to go to the lightness layer and go under Filter, and we're going to do cutout. So if we're going to go to Filter, Filter Gallery, and I believe cutout is right under artistic, so it might be like this when you get to it. Click on cutout and let the presets. Actually, if you wanted to on this one, you could adjust these to make it simpler, or more detailed, or just leave it as a default, depending on your image. And then the last step is we're going to go back to our layers so we can kind of see what it's going to look like here, and go to Image, Mode, and put it back to RGB. And there we have it. So basically what it has done is it's broken down your section of your photo into different levels of values and applied different colors to those different levels of value. And it makes a pretty cool effect. So I know there's a lot of little finicky steps in there, but I hope you have fun, and I hope you like the image that it results.